Hey guys, I'm out here snowshoeing again at the Chippewa Nature Center, and it is super awesome out here this morning. Really quiet, all kinds of birds chirping. It's the Chippewa River there, I think. It's all frozen over still. Sun's shining. Great morning to get out and explore. Stuck on a stick there. The nice thing about snowshoes is you can just pretty much walk wherever you want. You don't have to stay on a trail. You can make your own. Kind of using the same path I was on last time I came out here a couple days ago, just because I was along the river. And nice scenery. But yeah, these snowshoes I've had for about 3 years now, and they're still working really good, so I've been pretty happy with them. Hey guys, I just made it to the OxBow at the Nature Center. And if you don't know what the OxBow is, it's basically the river used to flow around behind where I'm standing. So this is the river here, and then here's a piece of land, and then over here is the OxBow. So the river used to flow behind me and then back around here in the OxBow and come out where this land is now. But through time and erosion, eventually the river kind of cuts itself off and it leaves the OxBow behind, and it just doesn't flow there anymore, but there's still standing water there, and it creates a whole new ecosystem. So it's pretty neat. It's one of my favorite spots to hike to back here. I'll do another quick video. There's a spot where the trail crosses through the center of it and you get a really good view of most of it all at once. So it's pretty cool. Alright, so here we are. This is the trail where it crosses the center of the OxBow. If you were here in the summertime, this would all be standing water. There's a lot of plant life, a lot of green leaves and stuff like that, because it gets a lot of sun, so there's lots of photosynthesis going on in there. But now it's all frozen, snow covered. And this used to be part of the river, but it's not anymore because of erosion over many, many years. But it's always a cool spot to come to after hiking through the woods for a little bit. Nice scenery. And now we'll eventually head back to the homestead farm where I parked my truck. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to show the equipment I use when I'm out snowshoeing. So these green snowshoes here, these are mine. They're Tubbs Mountaineer snowshoes, and I've had them for about 3 or 4 years now, and they're still just as good as they were the first day I bought them. There's nothing broken on them. The boot latch system works really well, and there's no rips or tears in the material, and the aluminum's still holding up well. The ones to the right are my wife's snowshoes, the white ones here, and those are also Tubbs Mountaineer. They're smaller. They're kind of like the way they build them, they're based on like men's and women's, and they go by, the length of them goes by weight. So the small ones in the middle there, those are my daughters. Those are Yukon Charlies, and she's had those for about the same length this time as we've had ours. And she's almost too big for them, so probably next year we'll have to get her a bigger set. But these have been great from the time she was about 3, and she's 7 now. So, and they're still holding up good too. They are a little bit cheaper than the ones we got, and the latch system on them isn't quite as nice, but it works good for a kid that doesn't do a lot of real heavy snowshoeing. But these ones here do really good in heavy snow, and these little orange clasps here, you can flip those up and it'll actually make it so your foot sticks through the hole in the front of the snowshoe a little more, and there's cleats on the back side of that. So if you're trying to go up a steep slope, it'll really help you dig in and not slide. The only time I've used it where I really needed it and was glad I had it was when we were snowshoeing at the Sleeping Bear sand dunes. There was one trail we took up to the top of one of the dunes to see Lake Michigan, and it was a pretty steep climb by the time you got to the top with the snow drifts on everything. But other than that, I haven't really needed it, but it was nice the time that I didn't need it. And my wife's snowshoes also has that. And the boots I wear when I'm snowshoeing are these Muck Arctic Sport boots. They are pretty nice because they come up to about the top of your calf muscle, just low enough below your knee where it doesn't feel weird when you're walking or anything once you get used to them. And they are like a neoprene boot. They're completely waterproof, and they have not just enough insulation to keep you warm while you're out moving around and not make you sweat too much. So I really like them. Usually I don't even wear snow pants if I'm wearing these, because they come up so high that unless you're in really deep snow, you don't even need snow pants to keep your pants dry. A lot of times if I do wear snow pants, it's if I plan on stopping a lot, or if it's extremely cold. And then it's nice to have the extra layer of insulation if you do stop moving for a minute. So yeah, that's the snowshoes we've had and been using for the last 3 or 4 years or so. If you're interested, I'll try to find them and put some links down below, and you can check them out on Amazon, see if it's something you would like. They are a little bit more expensive than a lot of the other snowshoes, but the way I look at it is they've held up. They're still just as good as the day I bought them 3 years ago, compared to other snowshoes with cheaper latch systems on them that might only last a year or so. And by the time you buy 2 or 3 of those to last as long as these have lasted, you just end up spending more money. So thanks a lot for watching, and have a good day.